everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today is probably going to be the last holiday treat holder you see. I don't know, maybe I'll sneak another one in there between now and Christmas. But I am starting to, I need to do a birthday first of all because my mom's birthday is coming up and I wanted to do something for her birthday, and so I'm not sure if I'll get another one in or not yet. I do have another one, but look at this one. It's so cute. I love this stamp set and framelits. This one is the Alpine Adventure, and then it comes with the Alpine Sports Thinlits, and this is a bundle. We're going to use the skis, and the sleigh does not have a stamp for it, but it does have a framelit for it. And it's down here at the bottom, but here's the framelit. I need to get these on my magnetic plates. And then we're going to use the wreath. I guess I can take those out while I have this up and out of here. We're going to use this little wreath, and we're going to use the skis. And I already cut out one of the sleighs. I was going to use it for something else, but here's the sleigh. Isn't that adorable? I love this, and it reminds me so much of when I was a kid. We used to sleigh and toboggan. It was so much fun. So you are going to need those. And if I can get this back in there, we'll be ready to get going here. There we go. And then on this one, I did Merry Christmas here, but I'm going to do the Let It Snow this time on it. And then we're going to stamp, like I said, the skis. And I think that's it. I think we're just stamping the skis and the Let It Snow. All right, so I set everything up on my Stamparatus, because you can do so much with this, and I'm just going to go ahead and stamp both skis and the Let It Snow, and we'll run that through the Big Shot, and then I'll show you how to do the box. It's a really quick one. Oh, I didn't show you what's in the box. I made this box especially for, look at the little red Twinkies. Isn't that cool? They had, I saw these little red ones. I haven't even tasted them yet, but when I saw it, I thought those would be really cute for a little gift for a coworker or something. It'd be really cute to put on someone's desk. All right, so we are going to use some soft suede. I'm going to tell you in a minute when we get to the box what we need for the box. And I really like to use my stamp case to put under there for stability. And we are going to, these are really long too, these skis. So you have to have a big clear block or the Stamparatus to stamp it. So we're going to stamp that one, and we're doing it on crumb cake with soft suede. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over, and we are going to stamp it again. They're so cute. All right, so then I have to move it back so I can do the Let It Snow. And you don't have to worry about this because it's just going to stamp over the same spot. I'm going to use Call Me Clover for the Let It Snow. There we go. All right, so we got that all done, ready to go. We're going to run them through the Big Shot. I just found this is going to be a little bit easier than doing the box, then bringing that up here. Make sure you clean your stamps and stuff off. And we'll take this and this. We'll see if we can run them through at the same time. Stamparatus is just so handy for everything. All right, so let's bring up the Big Shot. Run these through, and we'll have everything ready. We're not going to need to run the Let It Snow through, but we do have to run through the, I think I used actually shaded spruce for the wreath, but it doesn't matter. And then for these, I'll get my little ski. We'll run these through. Just have to do, I think that moved a hair on me. Gotta get it right. I may need a little, seems to be bouncing around a little. On that one I might need a little, on both of them. I need a little, one of my sticky notes. These are long and narrow, and I want to make sure that they're on here right. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we got our little wreath there. We have one ski done. Look how cute they are. They're so adorable. We're going to do the other one. So we have our two skis. We have our sled that I did earlier, our little wreath. And then I'm going to punch this one, I think with my 3/4 hole punch, if it fits. No, I think I'm going to need the 1 inch. So let's grab that 1 inch. I brought them both, so I didn't know which one it would go through since I didn't do it the Let It Snow earlier. Alright, so we're going to set all of this aside, and we are ready to do our box. So for the box, you're going to need a piece of 7 by 8.5, and we are going to score this. This is a 7-inch side, and on the 7-inch side we're going to score 1/2, 2.5, 3 3/4, 5 3/4. And then you're going to turn it on the 8.5-inch side and score it at 1/2. I'll have the PDF on my blog for those of you who are new. 1 3/4, 6 3/4, and 8. Alright, that's it. So we are ready to cut this. Alright, so we have the 1/2 inch side at the very top here. If you can see that. We are going to cut down, and we're going to cut these 4 right here off. I'm going to do the same on this side. Then we're going to cut up each one of these to that second score mark. On this side too. And then we are going to have this middle one, this one here, the wider one, and the 2 ends. Now you are going to cut off the little flap, the little 1/2 inch one here, and on this side. You're going to keep the one in the middle. We're going to actually, this is just going to hold your box the inside up. We're going to do the exact same here. You're going to cut off the 1/2 inch here, the 1/2 inch here, and then these. Alright, so we're going to do the top part here too. So this folds in nicely. Got a little tiny bit I need to cut off here. Alright, so that is it for all our cutting. So let's go ahead and sharpen all those score marks. And you can either mat it now or you can mat it after. I usually like to mat it after, but you can definitely do it now if you want. I'm going to use some fast fuse. Use some Tombow or your tear and tape for this part. It's got to be a strong adhesive. And then you are just going to bring these in and line them up. And then these. And I should have brought another Twinkie back here. I totally forgot. I put them up in my pantry because I thought my grandson would eat them. But he hasn't yet. He's not a huge sweet person. He's more of a savory person like me. But all right, so that is that. Now for the matting, you are going to need one piece that is 1 7/8 by 4 7/8. You're going to need 2 pieces, and I think I cut that too short. I cut one of these too short. Yep, I'm going to have to cut another one real quick. You're going to need 2 that are 1 1/8 by 4 7/8. And then you need 2 for the sides that are 1 1/8 by 1 7/8. And I have my paper right here and my trimmer, so we're going to go ahead and cut that other one the right size. So this one's 1 1/8. 1 1/8 by 4 7/8. Okay, there we go. So now we got 2. We're ready to adhere them. All right, so here's our box. Where's the front? We're going to need to know that. All right, we are going to first, we're going to put on our little snow skis. I'm going to use wet glue for this. This will give me a little wiggle time too, so I can move them where I want. All right, so we're going to put this one here. These are the cutest things. I have really enjoyed this stamp set. I've used it for a lot of different things. We're going to kind of crisscross these like that. And then we're going to put our sled on. And it's going to go this way. Have to hold that wet glue just a few minutes. I'm going to put that wreath on right in the center here. And then I'm going to punch a tiny hole with my 1/8 inch circle punch here, handheld. I'm going to use a little bit of our linen thread. I need to order some more. I'm going to cut that so I can make it easier for me to tie. I'm going to actually slip it underneath this. Oops. One here. So be careful not to glue that down too fast. Luckily it didn't stick all the way. And we're going to just tie a little bow here. I thought the Let It Snow would be really cute because you know, the skis and the little sled. All right. And then last but not least, I'm going to put a little bow using our 1/8 inch Whisper White. I'm just going to create a little bow here. And just play with it until you get it the size that you want. I want just a little one. I'm going to use a glue dot. And we'll put it right in the center of the wreath. And then I have my red rhinestones. And I need to grab take your pick tool and grab some and put them on the little wreath for some little berries. And it gives it a little sparkle. It's really a fun little box. Really easy to do too. Oh, look at I did. All right, so there you have it. It's super cute. I love this little bundle. It's really fun. I like the Let It Snow on this one too. But here's the other one. It's got the Twinkie inside, but yeah, it stays up with the Twinkie inside. So there they both are. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Here is the December hostess code. And we are getting through December so fast. I cannot believe Christmas is just, what, maybe 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks away. All right, I hope everyone has a blessed day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. And another thing I just wanted to mention is Thursdays, 7 p.m. Central, I do my Facebook Lives. I won't be doing them for the next 2 weeks. I will start doing back January 4th. But if you would like to come to my Facebook Lives, I always do another project. I haven't been great about putting my Facebook Lives on YouTube because it's a long process for me. But I do every once in a while get them up. But I always do 3D because that's what I asked everybody what they wanted. So you're missing out on some of the projects if you don't come see me Facebook Live. All right, everyone. I hope you come join me, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye.